Roses, oh roses. Probably one of the most beautiful flowers that I know. And here we have different types of roses. Look at these yellow roses, guys. It's already late in the season, but oh my gosh, these roses are still full of blooms. This one has a very distinct color with a combination of yellow and red. We have some that are just red, deep red colors, big ones, small ones. And I thought I have lost all of my roses over the summer due to not watering them properly. But I am so glad that when I checked, after getting a few days with rain, some of them have come back. And that includes this yellow rose, which you can tell that parts of it has died already. Now, the bottom part did not die, and that's why the plant was able to come back. This I thought was totally wasted, but just look at the bottom of this plant. See that? That is really amazing. New growth in here, which is really, really good. This one as well, I thought was already lost, but it survived. Lots of different kinds. They don't look that nice right now because it's very cold. 30 degrees right now, guys. I just wanted to show you that these roses are so amazing. Look at that. I'm not an expert in roses, but I admire roses, all kinds of roses really, and their ability to withstand different temperatures from winter to summer, and they survive.